Brakes not working. Oh no! No brake power. Good? Not good. Broken brake on the right side. These are the points to lift. Very important. That's the point where we can lift the car. Wow! Over 200 horsepower in the 60s! Big one, very big one. Big drum brakes. Wow, massive drum brake pads. This is the problem. Brake wheel cylinder is broken. No brake power on the brake pads. Dirty inside. That's why it's not working anymore. New and not rusty. Very strong spring for massive brake pads. Secured through the wheel bolts. Very dirty. Also new. East German brake fluid for the Western Germany made car. Bleeding the brake system. Number 1. Special silicone fluid for the 300 SL. In purple. Number 2. Special tool. Number 3. Number 4. The last one. Nova. Diamond Orange Pro Grip. Clean gloves for perfect wheel caps.